Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to knit this easy beautiful knitting pattern. This pattern can be used in your both gents and ladies sweater, baby sweater. This is the way it looks like. Wrong side looks like this. So this is only 8 rows repeat pattern and you need to cast on multiples of 2 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch, or you can cast on any uneven number stitches, right? So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 13 stitches on my needle, which is even number. And now row 1 right side, your edge stitch, knit and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 1, yarn over, bring them in front and slip 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, yarn over, slip 1. Repeat that again. Knit 1, yarn over, slip 1. Leave this yarn in front. Knit 1, yarn over, slip 1. Knit 1, yarn over, leave this yarn in front and slip 1. One more repeat. Knit 1, yarn over, slip 1. And last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 wrong side, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Purl 1, slip these 2 and then yarn over. Wrap the yarn around like so, right? That's the repeat. Purl 1, slip 2, yarn over. Again, purl 1, slip 2 and yarn over. Purl 1, slip 2 and yarn over. Purl 1, slip 2, yarn over. Purl 1, slip 2, yarn over. And last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, purl. Row 3. For row 3 right side, your edge stitch, knit, slip on the right side and start the repeat from here. Knit 1 and knit these 3 together. That's the repeat. Knit 1 and knit 3 together. Again, knit 1, knit 3 together. 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 Last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 5 and row 5, your edge stitch, slip and start the repeat from here. Before we knitted 1 here on row 1, before we knitted 1 and then we did yarn over and slip 1, and now for row 5 we're gonna do yarn over, slip 1 first and then knit 1. So yarn over, bring them in front and slip 1, leave this yarn in front and knit 1, right? That's the repeat. Yarn over, slip 1 and knit 1. Again, yarn over, slip 1, knit 1. Yarn over, slip 1 and knit 1. Yarn over, slip 1, knit 1, yarn over, slip 1, knit 1, and last 2 stitch, yarn over, slip 1 and your edge stitch, knit. Row 6, wrong side, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Slip 2 and yarn over, purl 1. That's the repeat. Slip 2, yarn over, purl 1. Again, slip 2, yarn over, purl 1. 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 Last 4 stitch, slip 2, yarn over, purl 1. Row 7, edge stitch, slip on the right side and start the repeat. Knit 3 together and knit 1. That's the repeat. Knit 3 together and knit 1. Again, knit 3 together, knit 1. Knit 3 together, knit 1. Knit 3 together, knit 1. Knit 3 together and knit 1. Last 2, 4, 5 stitch, knit 3 together, 4 stitch, knit 3 together and edge stitch, knit. Row 8, last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. Now repeat this 8 rows, row 1 to row 8 over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.